Hi everyone. Welcome back to AI Finance Buddy, your friendly guide to mastering personal finance. We make finance simple, fun, and accessible for everyone, whether you're saving for a goal, staying updated on market trends, or looking for smart ways to grow your money. Here, you'll find the latest financial news explained, practical tips to manage your budget, and easy to follow trading suggestions. We also believe in empowering you with financial education, offering quick lessons and relatable examples to help you understand how money works. Let's dive into today's highlights and take the next step on your financial journey together. Chapter 1, Today's Market News. Let's start with some news reports and suggestions. First up, Nancy Pelosi is making waves in the stock market. She's investing in big tech companies like Apple and Google, along with some energy stocks. It's like she's picking the coolest players for her fantasy football team, but instead, it's all about investing in tech and energy. People think she's got a smart strategy going on. Now, let's talk about Nvidia. This company is a strong player in the tech sector, benefiting from growing demand for AI and gaming technologies. However, it may face short-term fluctuations due to market volatility and trade policy uncertainties. We give it a score of 85 out of 100. Next, Morgan Stanley says stocks and US government bonds are like two friends who just can't get along right now. When bond yields, which is a fancy term for how much money you can make from bonds, are high, stocks struggle. They think this will keep happening until bond yields drop below 4.5%. It's like waiting for a rainy day to end before going outside to play. We give Morgan Stanley a score of 75 out of 100. Now, let's look at defense stocks. The VanEck Defense ETF is getting a lot of attention lately. With all the talk about defense spending, especially with Trump possibly coming back, investors are excited. It's like everyone suddenly wants to buy superhero action figures because they think there's going to be a big battle. People are pouring money into defense stocks, hoping for big returns. Booz Allen Hamilton, BAH, is well positioned in the defense sector, benefiting from increased government spending and a strong demand for consulting services. However, it faces challenges from high debt levels and market volatility. We give it a score of 75 out of 100. Overall, the market is showing mixed signals as investors react to influential figures like Nancy Pelosi backing tech stocks, while concerns about bond yields and rising defense spending create both opportunities and challenges for different sectors. Chapter 2, Simple Finance Terms Explained. Let's break down some simple finance terms. First, beta is a number that shows how much a stock's price moves compared to the overall market. A higher beta means the stock is more volatile, moving up or down more dramatically. Next, a special purpose acquisition company, or SPAC, is a type of company that raises money to buy or merge with another business. It's often called a blank check company because it doesn't have a specific target at first. Swing trading involves buying and holding stocks for a few days or weeks to take advantage of short-term price changes. A long position means owning a stock because you believe its value will increase over time. Finally, risk tolerance is your comfort level with the possibility of losing money while aiming for bigger gains. Chapter 3, Top Stock Pick of the Day. Today, let's talk about why NVIDIA, is a great stock to consider. NVIDIA is a big name in the tech world, especially known for its work in artificial intelligence and gaming. As more people and companies look for advanced tech solutions, NVIDIA stands to benefit a lot from this growing demand. However, it's important to keep in mind that investing in stocks can come with ups and downs. NVIDIA might experience some short-term price swings due to market volatility, which means prices can change quickly. Additionally, trade policies and regulations can also impact how well the company performs. So, while NVIDIA has a lot of potential, be aware of these risks. Always do your research and consider your own financial situation before investing. Chapter 4, Core Long-Term Strategy with ETF. Imagine you want to taste a variety of delicious dishes from around the world without cooking them all yourself. That's what ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, do for investing. They bundle together a collection of stocks, making it easy to invest in many companies at once. Now, think of the MSCI World Index as a global menu. It includes stocks from 23 developed countries, helping you diversify your investments and reduce risk. Together, they make investing simpler and smarter. Let's talk about the MSCI World Index, which is a big deal in the investing world. It tracks stocks from 23 developed countries, giving you a snapshot of how the global stock market is doing. Recently, some insiders at MSCI Incorporated bought a whopping $11.3 million worth of their own company stock. This usually signals that they believe the company is doing well and has a bright future, which can be a good sign for investors. Also, there are ETFs that track the MSCI World Index. For example, the Amundi MSCI World UCITS ETF lets you invest in a wide range of companies from different sectors, all in one go. It's a simple way to diversify your investments without having to pick individual stocks. So, in a nutshell, insiders are showing confidence in MSCI, and there are easy investment options available for those looking to tap into the global market. Remember, investing comes with risks. Think long term, be patient, and only invest what you won't need right away. Chapter 5, Quick Financial Lesson. Let's define financial independence and what it really means to escape the rat race. Financial independence is a term that often gets tossed around, but what does it really mean? Simply put, it's the state where you have enough savings and investments to support your lifestyle without needing to work for a paycheck. Imagine waking up each day without the pressure of a 9-to-5 job. That's the dream many people have when they talk about escaping the rat race. Let's consider Sarah, a teacher who loves her job but feels stressed by her bills. She starts saving a little each month and invests in a low-cost index fund. Over time, her money grows, and she also finds ways to earn passive income, like renting out a room in her home. After several years, Sarah realizes she can cover her living expenses through her investments and rental income. She decides to cut back on her teaching hours, giving her more time to pursue her passions. To start your journey toward financial independence, focus on saving and investing wisely. A great first step is to create a budget that helps you track your spending and identify areas where you can save. Remember, every little bit counts. The sooner you start, the closer you'll be to escaping the rat race and living life on your own terms. Chapter 6, Summary and Personal Investment Strategy. As we wrap up today's video, let's quickly recap the key points we covered. First, we highlighted some important news in the market, focusing on major players like Nvidia, NVDA. We discussed how these companies are shaping the market landscape and what that means for investors. Next, we dove into market insights, specifically the concept of beta, a crucial metric that helps you understand how a stock's price moves in relation to the overall market. A high beta indicates more volatility, which can be both an opportunity and a risk. We also shared a best buy recommendation for Nvidia, emphasizing why it's a compelling stock to consider right now, especially given its strong position in the tech industry. In our ETF strategy segment, we introduced the idea of diversifying your investments, much like sampling a variety of delicious dishes. This approach can help you manage risk while exploring different sectors. Finally, we explored the concept of financial independence, what it truly means to escape the rat race and how you can start your journey toward that goal. Now, for my personal investment strategy, I'm adding $15 to my MSCI World Index investment and experimenting with $10 in a fractional share of our suggested best buy pick, Nvidia, both with 101 leverage. This illustrates the importance of cautious and diversified investing. Remember, it's essential to do your own research, test different strategies, and consult with a financial advisor to tailor your approach to your unique situation. If you found today's content valuable, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your engagement helps us reach more people and ensures you don't miss out on future episodes filled with practical financial tips and insights tailored to your journey. We'd love to hear your thoughts, whether it's topics you want us to cover, questions you have, or feedback on today's video. Your input helps us create content that meets your needs and builds a stronger community where we can all learn and grow together. Thank you for joining us today, and we can't wait to see you in the next episode.